Welcome to today's special report from Global Pulse 24. The global economy is navigating through a period of great uncertainty. Inflation, interest rates, unemployment, and geopolitical tensions are collectively shaking up the world market. Amidst all this, the famous Jackson Hole Economic Symposium is about to begin in Wyoming, USA. All eyes are on one man, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. His speech could influence not just the American economy, but the entire world. The Jackson Hole Symposium is one of the most prestigious economic meetings in the world, where central bank governors, economists, and global leaders gather. The conference has been held since 1982, and discussions here have shaped global economic policy numerous times. The 2025 conference is even more critical, because the global economy is currently facing major shocks: the risk of rising inflation in the United States, an energy crisis in Europe, slowing growth in Asia, the collapse of the real estate market in China. The solutions, or at least a roadmap for the future, could emerge from this conference. Now let's talk about the most anticipated person, Jerome Powell. What will he say? He faces two major challenges. 1. Inflation. U.S. consumer inflation is still close to 3.4%, which is significantly higher than the Fed's 2% target. The question is, will the Fed raise interest rates further, or will it hold them steady? 2. Employment and recession risk. If interest rates are raised, borrowing becomes more expensive, companies won't create new jobs, and unemployment will rise. Conversely, if rates aren't increased, inflation could spiral out of control. This is a high-pressure situation from both sides. How Jerome Powell manages this balancing act is now a focal point of interest for millions of people. International impact. Powell's decisions won't just affect Americans, they could shake the entire global economy. If he hints at raising interest rates, the dollar will strengthen. This would put pressure on dollar-dependent economies, from countries like Bangladesh to those in Europe and Africa. On the other hand, if he keeps rates stable, investors will be somewhat reassured, and the stock market could see a positive reaction. India, China, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, all countries will adjust their financial strategies according to Powell's remarks. Presence of global leaders. This year's conference won't just feature Powell. Attendees will include Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey, Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklem, and top officials from the European Central Bank. In short, it's a gathering of the top leaders in global finance. You could say the entire world economy is contained within this small town. History shows that many major decisions have come out of Jackson Hole. This time, everyone has the same question. Will Jerome Powell announce a more aggressive policy, or will he take a softer stance? The future of the global economy is hidden within every word he utters. So, are major market crashes coming in the next few months? Or will Powell provide a glimmer of hope? To get the answers, we have to wait for his speech. You are watching Global Pulse 24. If you liked our news analysis, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to let us know in the comments. What do you think the Federal Reserve will do? Will it raise interest rates or keep them as they are? See you in the next report. Thank you.